Making flour tortillas is really easy. Come on, let's go! Hi everyone, today we're going to make homemade flour tortillas. And if you've never made them before, you might be surprised at just how easy this is. You only need 4 ingredients for this recipe. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of warm water, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We'll start by combining the flour and salt in a mixing bowl. Then we'll add in the oil and water. And the reason we use warm water is it really helps make the tortillas easy to work with. Turn on the mixer and mix. We used a dough hook, but you can also use your flat beater. That's the standard mixing paddle that comes with most machines. If the dough seems too wet, you can add more flour, a tablespoon at a time. And likewise, if it seems too dry, add water a tablespoon at a time. Once the dough is smooth, stop mixing and let it rest for 10 minutes. Next, flour a flat surface for rolling out the dough. Then place your dough on the surface, lightly flour it, and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Form each piece into a ball, lightly flour the top, and roll out your dough. Next, we'll just transfer the rolled out dough to a slightly oiled pan set on medium heat. You'll just cook them until they're lightly golden brown on each side, which takes about 60 seconds per side. And that's it! Tortillas are super easy to make and taste so much better than the store-bought varieties. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. That's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.